So this is what I get to see going to this job, which is my privilege. Right alongside the road. And I'm sure this happens with other places, but I mean, we should all share the beauty that we get to see, the fantastic views, because we can't be everywhere. We can't see everything. Sharing it makes a big difference, because we don't always get the chance. Maybe if we're in a chair and can't get out, wheelchair or something, you'd like to see things like that. So I am as bad as I am at video. Usually I just hand it over to a teenager and hopefully they can keep their hands still. And this road runs right alongside this bluff line. So here I am enjoying driving slowly on my trip home. Got a tree. Kind of hanging on to that rock. Yep. I like my life. I like being able to work with other people, but believe me, even outside the work, there's beauty everywhere we look. Beauty everywhere we look. Maybe not in the town so much, but I'm sure there's beauty there. People are beautiful. And I'm happy to share that with you. If you wish to, you can just flip past it. I appreciate you listening to the things that I have to say. And believe me, I'm not a guy who doesn't have regrets. I have regrets. One of them was when I was in my, 22, 23. 24, I don't know, somewhere in there. There was a girl that I really, really had a hang up on. And my mom really liked that girl. She lived with us for a little while. And really pretty, really smart, quick, just nimble-minded. And but I didn't pursue her because, how about this for a good regret? I was not wanting to suffer knowing that she was going to die. And she did die within a couple of years. She died of sickle cell anemia. It makes me sad to this day. It makes me get a ball in my throat that I didn't have the courage to go ahead and marry that girl, enjoy what life she had left to give, and the kindness that she had to give to me. And that might tell you something about me as a person, because I didn't have any training whatsoever about being racial. None at all. No training at all. So sickle cell anemia is inherently with black people, and she was a beautiful black girl. Her name was Tanya Weber. And so, long after I'm gone, maybe the ghost of this video, ghost that's in this video, will touch other people to not be missing out. Don't be scared of death. And now at 59, hard to admit that, at 59, I still am experiencing life as if I was younger in a lot of ways. Don't get me wrong, there's experience and there's judgment and there's all those things that come, but in a lot of ways, still loving women. Got one in my life now who I love to death. I mean, I can't get enough of her. And I would not belittle her and the kindness that she's shown me, the love that she's shown me, even though I mentioned this other girl when I was younger. It does not mean that she is less than that woman, nor that woman less than this woman I'm with. I was just privileged to be around both of them and to see the beauty that came from both of them. Yeah, I know that there's meanness that can come from anybody, but I kind of tilt toward the half full. I'm kind of the half full guy. And I hope to continue to be that way. Maybe I'll still do videos when I'm 77. Either way, thank you for being with me. And I guess I'm sharing with you my regret, one of them. And I hope that you all learn to live with your regrets. Don't let them poison you, but learn from them. Teach other people, particularly young people, how not to have as many, maybe not to have the same ones. They'll always have regrets unless they didn't live. And remember that you want to leave the world a little bit better than than when you came in. And I wish you all well. Enjoy the area around you. Enjoy your life and enjoy your women in your life. There's lots of joy in all those bundles of joy.